Oh. Yes. I'm slow going over there.
Yeah.
Look how low it is over there.
Huh?
Look how low it is straight ahead. Look at that. Oh, that's
That's the best thing ever.
that's the rain.
Yeah, the raincoat.
Just don't knock this over. Oh. Just got that.
Shit. Don't say that.
Yeah, no, he's right. Yeah, look, I just look. That's where. Oh!
Yes, got that. Yes.
Look at this one. Oh my god.
So do you have a shutter release?
Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, nice.
I'm
That's
filming
nice.
one.
Oh, come on.
I think I've talked to you last time. You guys were out here on the roof, and that's one thing I got for this year. So I finally got it this time. So
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
There you go. Yeah,
Oh.
it'd be tough to do without one.
Yeah,
Sure.
Too much shape.
exactly.
Oh, Jesus. That's pretty awesome. Oh,
Oh, I got it!
you
I
do?
got a picture on my phone. What?
Yes.
You got it?
Skill, right?
That's awesome.
You got a picture? Oh, what?
That's pretty
You do?
great.
Let me
For
see.
a phone, that's impressive.
You literally press it.
Hey, my phone takes very much.
Well, did he play on video? No, he just took a picture at the right time. You got that at the right time. Did you get on the right time? What?
Over there.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, hold on. Here it is. Look at that. Look at that.
Whoa. Yeah. So Ben, does it shut itself off after 12 minutes?
And now, the next one over us.
Oh! Oh my god!
Got that?
I got that as well. Don't show me. Let's have a look.
Oh, yes, yes, I think I
Oh
got
my
it.
god. That was a nice
Back in the
stroke.
periphery though. I actually got it though.
Ooh, why is the thunder from that one?
It's still so distant.
It's a long way off still.
I think I got it only in the periphery. Unacceptable. Yeah, didn't go the right part. Oh, okay. Oh, what? I didn't.
Oh my goodness, that shelf pad.
Yeah.
Jesus, that's amazing. I feel I should. Was that from the flash?
Just behind.
Was it? Oh, we're gonna get stressed.
Yellow.
Oh. Okay, I'm. Just got it as well.
Yep.
Got that one.
That shelf close. Awesome.
There's quite a lot of CGs over there.
Whoa!
Yes.
I got it. I got it. I
Yes.
got it. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh.
Ben, you got to get these going on your
I can feel
4K
raindrops.
TV. Oh, oh, I feel raindrops. Oh, there's awesome over here as well.
It's awesome everywhere.
Oh, it's going to get rained on. I know that as soon as I stop filming, something amazing like that's going to happen. Cheers. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh.
That was beautiful.
I'm not sure where to film.
Yeah, over there is getting pretty intense.
That's just pretty good right now, though. That shelf pad as well.
We get a photo.
Yes. The CG's over there. Physically derived why the CGs are in this part of the cloud.
Oh,
What's it?
oh my god, you have got to be